Yan. So, na-force ko siya. Success! Okay, we have a special guest once again, my mame. Makita na natin. Show them your makeup pouch. So, this one is mine. This is from Muji. Medyo malaki siya. Sa'yo is Social, long siya, black red. Anyway, sige. Let's show them. Let's start with the sunscreen. So, what's your current go-to sunscreen, mame? For sunscreen, wow! So, akin, Dalba. And then yours is maquillage. Magbasa dyan. Similar yung finish na itong dalawa. Kasi this is also like a tone-up sunscreen. Similar with the Dalba. Where did you get yours? Japan. Wow. Okay, next. For base, we have the same BB cream. So, what's your primer, Mom?
This one is primer with sunscreen.
Wow, primer and sunscreen in one. Okay, I see. Okay, next for concealer. I don't have any concealer. Do you have concealers? Ooh, Tarte. Dalawang Tarte. Meron ka pang brightener. Okay. Next for blush. Wow, Tarte. Mine is NARS. Pakita natin. Okay. Maganda tong Tarte mo, di ba? Like, mukha siyang mga fresh lang. Oh, maubos na ang kanyang Tarte. Nandito na, oh. For powder, what do we have, Mami? Wow! Sa akin is Get Ready With Me, and yours is MAC. What else do you have in your makeup bag? Wala na? Pangkilay. O sige, go. Pangkilay. Pakita natin. Oh, Anastasia. It's the brow pomade, and I got mine from K Palette, of course. Hope you enjoyed our makeup bag raid. See ya!